Car's moving, we're going to camera. Hope them seagulls don't take a poop. If they do, I hope they miss me.
Yeah.
I wish I had a biscuit I'd throw it on that car. They'd cover that baby. There's a little helicopter taking off, coming across the dryers. There's the big Gov down there. Go anywhere in the world right there. That's the door.
It moves pretty fast.
Yeah, it doesn't take long once it gets moving. You spend more time waiting on either side, you know. What's bad, I had to ride when they was going to this one. They was working on these, and they was coming out of this, and that other one was over there where we went to the bathroom there. It's a different barge. I was on Edda May, and I had to drive all the way around. Yeah, it's kind of wavy, rocking and rolling. It's hard to believe them big old pelicans can fly. Suckers look like they weigh about 100 pounds. I'm filming, you filming, and we're both filming. We're officially in camera now. Leave mine on till we get off. Where?
This way.
Oh yeah. They're waiting on lunch. They're waiting for one of them pogie boats to come in. Remind me of the movie The Birds. You reckon they all related? Yeah, nice. Huh?
Bitch to get in and out of. He's got running boards.
Well, they don't have those giant tires either. I have to use my running board sometimes on the truck.
Huh?
I use my running board sometimes on the truck to get in.
I get in when I'm driving, but the other way I don't. I'm a passenger.
Yeah. If I buy another truck, I'd sure like to look at that one.
road.
Getting off the ferry. Thank you, buddy. We're gonna try to stop up here. I don't remember the name of that little restaurant. But it's some good food.
Prepare to arrive at your destination on the left, in half a mile. Shut. And it wasn't there. Anchorage Up Grill, this is where we eating.